In order to conduct ASTM D2216, Laboratory Determination of Water Content by Mass for soil and rock samples, you will need a sample container, water, a spatula, you'll need a balance, and an oven glove. Let's not forget the accompanying oven and a bowl for mixing your sample. In this case, a red sandy clay. Let's not forget our goggles. Looking good, Tyler. First, we must find the mass of the sample mixing bowl. But let's not forget to tare the scale. Once the sample is added to the bowl, record the mass again. By subtracting the mass of the bowl from the mass of sample in the bowl, you'll be left with just the mass of the sample. Once you've established the mass of the soil, you can calculate the amount of water needed to add to get it to a desired water content. In this case, we've chosen enough water to add to our soil sample to make it 20% water by mass. Mix your sample. We must establish the mass of a representative soil sample by subtracting the mass of an empty sample tin from the mass of the sample and tin together. This must be done for 2 samples. It is also important to note that for smaller samples you can use lids on the sample containers so as not to lose any moisture content before putting the samples into the oven. Alright, it's time to start the drying process. Place the soil samples in the oven to dry. The soil samples should be dry in about 12 to 16 hours, or until the mass stops decreasing over 2-hour intervals. Once removing the samples from the oven, record the new mass. Using the following equations, moisture content can be calculated. Thank you for watching, and good job, Tyler.